Welcome back. This is probably going to be the last video in pronunciation, and this is consonant Z. Consonant Z or Spanish Z is pronounced differently in Spain than in Latin America. Spanish or in Spain, it is pronounced like the TH in the word think. In Latin America, it's pronounced like the letter S. So in paper it looks totally different. So you have TH in Spain and S in Latin America. So let's look at some examples.
Listen and repeat.
Zorro. Zorro.
Alright, this sounds more like an S. So zorro, zorro, fox.
Zorro. Cabeza. Cabeza. Cabeza.
Cabeza, head.
Zapato. Zapato.
Zapato, shoe.
Taza, taza,
Taza, cup.
zurdo,
Zurdo, left-handed.
feliz,
Feliz, happy.
Listen as each word is repeated twice, once by a Spaniard and once by a Latin American.
Alright, this will be interesting.
Zorro.
zorro,
Zorro.
zorro,
Zorro,
Cabeza.
cabeza,
Cabeza.
cabeza,
Cabeza.
cabeza,
cabeza, cabeza, cabeza, cabeza.
Zapato.
zapato,
Zapato.
Zapato.
zapato,
Yes, now I can see a difference. So one is zapato, one is zapato. So also the TH is Spain and S is Latin America.
Taza.
taza,
Taza.
taza,
Similar.
Zurdo.
zurdo,
Zurdo,
Feliz.
feliz,
feliz.
Listen and repeat.
Zorro.
Toro,
Zorro.
zorro,
Cabeza.
cabeza.
Zapato.
Zapato,
Taza.
taza.
Zurdo.
Zurdo,
Feliz.
feliz.
Listen and repeat.
zorro,
Zorro,
cabeza,
cabeza.
zapato,
Zapato,
taza,
taza.
zurdo,
Zurdo,
feliz,
feliz. Alright, so just to recap, the TH sound is for Spain and S is for Latin America. Alright folks, so this completes the pronunciation video. The pronunciation series. So we'll see what we come up in the next one. So until then, see you next time.